Today we are making this incredible Mama Africa themed black, gold and white acrylic wall art. Enjoy the video. You remember this silhouette that I purchased from Design Bundles? I did a video previously where I uploaded it using the same image but having 3 different variations of the same face. So what I decided to do today, instead of me buying another silhouette, I thought, why don't I just join my map of Africa and her face to create almost a similar effect as this, but instead she'll have the African map on top of her head as if she's carrying Africa, in a sense creating that Mama Africa or Mother Africa feel to her. So what I did is I removed the top of her head and then I made an outline of her face, grouped this together and then brought it to my African map. Now you notice with this that her face is not going with the overall aesthetic or feel of the African map. I need to have Africa. Let me move her out of the way so I can group my map. I need to have Africa sitting on top of her head like this and create an illusion of her carrying the African map on top of her head. So to do that, what I did was I double clicked, actually ungrouped, and then double clicked her face, and then I removed these nodes because I need to separate her face. So I removed, just delete that, I removed that, delete that, and then the top of her head, delete that, right? And then what I did next was I ungrouped my African map and then I took the outline of it and then I brought it to her head like that. And then after doing that, all I did was separated the two, and then I took my delete tool, that one, and then I just cut the pieces that I didn't want and moved them out of the way. And then I removed my markings and I brought her face as close to my map of Africa as I could. Remove that and then remove that and then move that here, and then do the same way we want to join the nodes together. Remove that, join these nodes together, and then we have the outline on her face. So what will then happen is when we move her here, she will match the overall feel of our African map like that. And then when you zoom out, you get her like this. Okay, so what I did, I think I removed that other outline, this one here. So I've got her face that's separate and I've got her with the African map on top. That's all I did. And then I separated, let me show you pages. You see, I separated my African map because I'm going to cut these on a different color acrylic. So I separated that, and because I only had a 50, if you look up here, a 50 centimeter by 31 centimeter piece of acrylic, I then took part of my African map to make it easy when I'm removing it and gluing it onto my white acrylic. And then I put the pieces there. I put the other pieces on another separate piece of black acrylic that I had, and the final piece here, her earring included, because I wanted to create that 3D effect with black earring and gold face. And then this is the face that we did with the mirror acrylic, which I inverted or reversed because I'm going to cut the base off the mirror acrylic. And that's all I did. So let's go to laser. If you've been following the journey of my videos, you know that what I do is start by kiss cutting the base. Unfortunately for the white acrylic, because it was sample acrylics that were left over, I didn't have the brown cover on top, so I just had to kiss cut direct on the white acrylic, which proved quite difficult to work with when I was assembling the pieces together. But I didn't want to mask it because it would have been a waste of masking tape. Nevertheless, it did work out, so we're good. The next part is to cut our black acrylic, and then we use masking tape to help lift the pieces off the cutting bed. Also, when I was then putting the piece together, it made it easy for me to know which country of Africa goes where, because they matched with the kiss cut areas on the white acrylic. Next up is the gold mirror acrylic, which I flipped and I cut the base of it to make it easier when gluing, because it's got a plastic cover on top. So it's easier if you spray adhesive the back of it and use the back to adhere to the back of the white acrylic. It's neater, let's put it like that. A lot neater. After that, we put the piece together. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you at the end. Remember, if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It really helps and motivates me to make more videos for you. After subscribing, please like and share the videos. Get as many people as you can on board, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And there you have it, guys. Isn't she beautiful? She's absolutely gorgeous. Mama Africa, for the love of Africa. Thank you so much for sticking by. I will see you next time. Bye bye.